Hey guys, Rockin' Ellisman here. This will be just a little bit of a review of the John Deere 318 garden tractor. It's got a good set of tires. It's not got a lot, doesn't have a lot of traction, but you don't really need it with this much power. Everything's kind of basic over here. You got your PTO, and then over here you got your throttle, and over here you got your hydrostatic transmission, and got the bucket on it, also a weight bucket, and it's got a 5-gallon gas tank under there, and under here it's got an 18-horse motor in it. This tractor is rare. They don't make them anymore, so it's very hard to get parts for the tractor. So let's get her started up.